I have this little wooden pumpkin with a raffia bow, and I started by taking the hanger off, and I wrapped the raffia with some foil so it wouldn't get any paint on it, and I eventually ended up removing it, so pay no attention to that. And I started by painting it with the Snow Owl by Wise Owl. Once dry, I took my 1 hour enamel and my Christmas plaid tissue paper, and I just was putting the enamel on the raised area of the pumpkin. Using my saran wrap and my brayer, making sure that I made contact with my glue. And then I just went to the next section of the pumpkin, and I'm just concentrating on the raised areas. I'm only putting the glue on the raised areas, and I'm laying the paper down, using the saran wrap as a barrier and my brayer. And there was 3 sections here. Then I just topped it off with my 1 hour enamel, again just focusing on this raised area, trying not to get the glue anywhere else. And then I set it aside to dry. Once dry, I took a pair of scissors and cut off the excess tissue paper and set that aside for another project. Now at this point you want to take about 100 grit sandpaper, and you're just going to be going around the raised panel edge and just getting a nice clean, it just comes off nice, it's a nice clean cut of an edge. You can use an X-Acto knife. That also worked. I did use it in some areas, but it comes off pretty nicely just using the sandpaper. So I found these little wooden signs. They say blessed, thankful, or grateful. And I'm going to use the thankful. And I painted it black. And then I attached the hanger, and I found these berries that I'm going to wrap around the stem. They have a wire through them, so they're very easy to wrap around. And then using E6000 and my hot glue, I am attaching the thankful. Guys, we are going to have a kit available. You can either get the thankful, the blessed, or the grateful at the end of this video, and you can find that at chalkitupfancy.com. Using these 3 different ribbons, I'm creating a bow by just stacking them together and wrapping them with jute. And then I'm just going to glue them to the top of my pumpkin. And kind of arrange it around the berries. And I'm attaching that with a hot glue gun. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For more tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. And again, there is a kit available at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.